TGV Rockets is pleased to present its 2025 STP Tech Talk, entitled TGV Flat Pack, Modular Aircraft via Ultrasonic Additive Manufacturing. TGV Rockets, Inc. is a small entrepreneurial aerospace technology company. Despite its name, TGV offers novel, disruptive technologies for use in support of both terrestrial and space-based warfighters. On this program, TGV is partnering with Fabrasonic LLC, the originator of welding with sound. TGV has won over 25 Phase 1 SBIRs, 3 Phase 2s, and 2 Phase 3s. Leading the TGV team is Dr. Justin Beeler. Fabrasonic LLC holds over 20 patents related to UAM. Their equipment includes the largest UAM machine in the world that has a working envelope of 6 feet by 6 feet by 3 feet. The working area can be easily expanded with a conveyor. In response to Navy needs, TGV offers a powered UAV with a fully assembled dimension of approximately 2 feet by 1.5 feet. This is the ideal size for small packaging, transport, storage, assembly, capable range, and small payload delivery. The Marine Corps needs compact, dense, storable UAS that can be carried by one person, assembled, and launched. Dense stowage on ship increases capability. We believe our flat-pack UAV addresses this need. We anticipate this transitioning to PMA 263. We expect our modular payload-capable UAV will have a flight weight, including batteries, to be approximately 12 pounds. In response to topic N231-069, TGV offers a high-rate, reduced life cycle cost airframe. The improvement offered is that USMC can carry 3 times as many UAS inside a ship or vehicle. ONR asked us to decrease the on-ship stowage volume to 2/3. Army Tactical Artillery, Army PEO Aviation, and PMS 408 could also benefit. TGV's design includes a faceted UAV, specifically designed for UAM process. It incorporates a novel flat, snap-tight panel design, and the required specification has been achieved. Our total weight is less than 25 pounds. Unassembled, it's able to be backpacked and transported in country with easy field assembly. TGV is leveraging faceted aircraft via parametric scaling and additive manufacturing. The concept and simulation design is in progress. Trial parts production is currently in progress, and UAM has proved to be a viable tool. To transition beyond a Phase 2, we will need to do the following: conduct a demo and field exercises, work on the militarization, achieve an acquisition roadmap, and we still need a transition advocate. Our priority is as follows. We want to transfer to MAR-SYSCOM, transfer to SOCOM, and transfer to Army PEO Aviation. SOCOM would be an acquisition target for us. We offer improved rough country deployment compared to fixed-wing unmanned aerial system and range compared to a quadcopter. Our business model includes a transition to PMA 263, exercising an option by USMC MCWL for demo, and acquiring funding for maturation/militarization. Thank you for listening. We're TGV Rockets, Inc., and you can contact us at tgv-rockets.com.